This is an unbox video about Binize waterproof wireless motorcycle CarPlay portable navigator. Here are some accessories and instructions. It is very simple to install. If you have any questions, please contact our staff directly. They will provide you with the most professional services. Binize Motorcycle CarPlay Navigator supports wireless auto and motorcycle CarPlay. It uses high-endurance manufacturing materials, 5-inch high-definition IPS screen, 65K colors fill the screen, making you feel more comfortable. Thanks for watching. We are Binize.